am Tom, and it's a great interview.
Okay, today I'm going to do an interview of the sleepy dog Spike. Spike?
Yeah, I'm here.
Yeah.
I'm still alive. Just really.
Well, let me pull up that hoodie for you.
I want to go back to bed. You shouldn't have done that. You're gonna regret it.
Okay.
Regret it, I tell you.
Okay. What's up with your hair?
It's the new style these days. It's called bedhead.
Bedhead. I think it's just you sleeping.
Okay, so first you wake me up from sleeping, and now you making fun of my hair. You know what? I'm
just saying you were sleeping and they messed up your hair.
I'm gonna tear you to shreds. You should never wake me up. Never. Now put me on the ground. Thank you. The security was coming. And apparently that's the end of Tom. And it's that interview.